trip the f out when you drive this thing.
Hunter, come here. Hunter, hair.
So before we get to that, let's get paid. Today's video is sponsored by Ridge Wallets. The Ridge is a minimal front pocket wallet that's designed to streamline what you carry every day. It has 30,000 5-star reviews and it's a better way to carry your cash and cards. There's a lifetime warranty if you love it and free returns if you don't. There are over 30 different colors and styles to choose from, including a carbon fiber one and a burnt titanium one as well. It's designed to go in your front or your back pocket. So one of the amazing things about this wallet is they claim it holds like 12 cards. I want to show you how we pack this thing full, and it still has room to get more cards in and holds cash. This is an amazing wallet. Check it out. Get 10% off today with free worldwide shipping and returns by going to ridge.com/savage. That's ridge.com/savage and use code SAVAGE. Link is in the description below. So don't waste any more time. Get your cool Ridge wallet today. Check out the link in description below and get Savage Ridge.
Koenigsegg is smoking. Radio.
We got, hey, Axe, stop. You've got something blowing out the back of the Koenigsegg. Something blowing out the back. Smoking. It's just smoking. It's smoking.
Oh, it's from the, looks like it's from the front of the car, look at the tire tracks.
That looks like gas.
Yeah, see, but there's tire tracks from it. It's got to be coming from the front. See that?
Smells like it too.
Kill it!
Fluid everywhere.
Put the trunk. Where the f did that come from?
That's fluid.
I didn't see it.
It just started as soon as you got on.
It must have popped the hose because as soon as you got on it, it went blowing out here.
Blowing out of where?
Blowing out the cap. Wait, so was it not tight? It's tight.
It's fluid.
Oh no, dude, the clamp's broken. Look, clamp broke. That's just we got a Phillips head, or is the clamp actually broken? Yeah, no, don't release it. Don't release it.
No, there's no pressure, dude. It's ice cold. There's no pressure.
That seems like it came loose, wasn't tight, whatever the case was.
Oh yeah, see it's up all the way to the top. It's tight on there. I don't want to, it's probably under pressure.
If it's tight, don't do it.
Yeah. Where did most of the
hose break? Did the clamp break?
Oh, let me wipe underneath. That's tight. That's tight on there.
Well, it's tight on there, but I mean, is it have enough room to expand and get liquid out?
My question is this cap completely tight on that?
It has to be.
Has to be, right?
Take it off. Just do it. Get out, get in on it.
Don't use your bare hands, bro.
It's not gonna release under pressure, dude.
Okay, but I can't get a grip on it.
There's no pressure. There's no pressure.
Oh, it's leaking out of the bottom. It's leaking out of the bottom.
Go slow.
Yes.
Now unscrew with this.
Randy, look underneath. It's all coming out.
No, this is a little pressure. Yeah. So I'm wondering if you get a good enough bleed on it. It was overflowing. It's bubbling. It's not bled right. Look, see, watch. There she goes. There she goes.
Where?
There was air in the line.
Look, they said they bled it 4 times, remember?
Yeah, but look, watch, it's gonna stop right around there. That's perfect, see? Look at that.
So tighten it now?
Tighten it.
Sure, should I wait like 2 more minutes?
Let it stop.
It's still going down.
Yeah, but that's fine. It's still. Wow, what the f?
Right?
They said they bled it 4 times.
But dude, look how much it just drained.
Yeah.
There was a huge air gap in it.
But then we're gonna be...
Well, that's all right, we just put water in it. Okay, now put the cap on. Tighten it up and let's see what happens. It should fill back up if you pressurize it. Definitely got an air bubble in the system. Because look, we just air bubbled and went, and then it finally went into the system.
So where do you think it was leaking out of then?
The cap, it was overflowing from the cap because that's the release.
Yeah.
Oh. So then what do you think is the best thing to do here?
We're gonna put some water in it. After we're letting the air bubble come out, we're gonna put some water in it, and then we'll go and get some radiator fluid, and we'll see what's going on.
Just
The Pagani also.
GINTANI, I guess they'll look at it too.
That should be fun.
Grab this, go to the bathroom. He's smoking a lot.
yeah.
It wasn't much, you see.
No, it wasn't. It was I mean it was fluid that was
Steaming,
making,
smoking, whatever
exactly.
it was, yeah.
But it wasn't like engine smoke. We're gonna go to a gas station now, put some kind of radiator fluid in it, maybe get microfibers because we don't have any of those, and hopefully all is well. I just hope that nothing else blows. So Axe is just paying very close attention to the temp gauges at the moment, but we'll see.
At least
Is water coming out? Water is coming out. Look at the windshield.
Oh, it is, yeah.
Water's
Well, not water, it might be fluid.
something.
It could just be residual. Probably is.
The wipers.
It's coming out again, it's coming out again. Tell him it's coming out.
It's coming out again. It's coming out again.
Hey, it's coming out again. Pull over, pull over, pull over, pull over.
It's just not as bad. It will get bad. Let's go from the right side.
Oh,
Oh, really?
Accident, yeah.
started pouring out the right side again. It's full again, don't...
It ran out the side, but how much was it? Was it like before?
No, it wasn't.
Oh, the banjo plant came off. It's not off, though. It's just the angle.
Smoking a little bit.
Leaking under here, and then look at the tracks on the right coming out.
Well, of course, because that's where the flow goes. But it might have been a lot of liquid left over. It didn't seem like it was drinking out. We got fluid pouring out of the Koenigsegg. Yeah, like cooling everywhere. I mean, it's like we just pulled over the side of the highway. Second time we tried to get some water in there to see if we can get it going properly, and it's what is that?
From the cooling expansion tank.
It's overflowing from the cap. We thought it might have been an air bubble. We released some of the air bubble to get it to calm down and put a little more water in it. We were going to come up to you, and man, it's just like it's still coming out. I don't know where it's coming from, dude.
That's coming from the engine.
Let's release it again. Let's release it again and not put anything in it.
Okay.
And see if we can get it to the shop. We should be able to get it to the shop. It's not overheating. We may just have too much fluid in it. There's an air bubble.
Thank you.
But we're going to release it, get it to calm down from release, and then come to you. Oh no, you've been leaving it. Battery. No, you gotta give me gas, give me gas.
Cap on?
Alright, let's go. Everybody get in the car, get in the car.
In front of the truck. Get one for the truck. Yeah, no, the Pagani, it has one, I'm pretty sure just where the Koenigsegg is too. It's like in front of the passenger seat.
Not here yet, I'm just saying the one that we have access to.
We'll get one here.
There's not one in here, I guarantee you there's not
one. I'm on X.
We're gonna get like a screwdriver and
Is it clutch fluid? No, it's stolen. X stalled it, looks like.
And it turned off and the car died.
this guy's parked his van.
I'm gonna tell you.
Is it leaking out again? Look, it's
Watch the door.
lost the door.
No, hold on, sorry, we're just talking. Just trying to restart it.
Just in case you need to pull back.
Yeah.
Any response from it whatsoever.
Watch out behind you, some guy's pulling behind you.
Spawning, it's not starting?
Fuck.
No, it's not starting at all. It's dead.
So just no power period.
As soon as I tried to give it gas, it died off, and then the whole gauge cluster shut off, and then it just died.
What? Was the alternator ever changed in this car? I seem to remember talking to you.
Earlier today, it said it had a low battery.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You know, can't get out now.
No.
So it's dead.
Do you wanna kill the
Randy,
hit the kill switch and then redo it?
Changed on this car?
Hey, I would try resetting the kill switch.
We might have flipped the belt.
I mean, truth be told, we'll get some kind of video. Also, I mean...
After we started it, it didn't want to like do shit.
Okay.
It didn't want to do anything. And then as we tried to roll away, it started choking, bogging. So that's why it stopped again.
Yeah.
Let it catch the idle, and it just wasn't happy.
Did all the electrical things just start?
And then all of a
dying
sudden, like the whole gauge cluster, everything just went blank. But the car was still on.
out? Yeah, it's the electrical system.
And then I turned everything off, and then it's not turning over, nothing. But I smell like belt down again. You smell it? Yeah. I smell the belt.
Batteries in here underneath.
Yeah.
Don't see anything there. I'll look up on the other side.
Yeah. Yeah. Who wants to get it?
Board. Hell yeah. That was pretty weak though.
Yeah,
you need
try
to
that
get like the.
Like that one?
Get him.
Yeah. Let's try again. We need to get one good one.
Get him, Jimbo.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe.
Damn, them houses are big.